You must flip every switch and kill all the monsters that come out.
This is a Minecraft mod that adds emerald armor.
And this is an insanely epic castle.
This is a rated UU battle on Pokemon Showdown. What's up, guys? Hope you're having a nice day, and welcome to my Project Zomboid Let's Play, episode 1 of my Minecraft Let's Play. In the past month, I've gained 140 subscribers. If this video gets 1 million views, I'll be happy. I just hit 50,000 video views on YouTube.
Don't mention it.
We're always going to use YouTube as a video sharing site. 6 million views generated him around $10,000. This is my 100th video special. How many YouTubers have made over $1 million? I've been uploading to YouTube for about 2 years now. Penguin0 actually donates all his money to charity, which is pretty crazy. So today we're going to be talking about YouTube. I hit 1,500 subs, which is just a crazy number. Since I'm one of the top Magecraft players, I do a YouTube video or two. I still get comments all the time saying there's no way YouTubers make that much money. You want to learn how to get more views on your YouTube videos? I just recently finished doing my research paper for school, and I thought I'd give you guys some tips and tricks on how you can do yours. 2,000. This video is going to be about my channel, so if you don't really care about my channel, see you later. And welcome to another very original YouTube channel, Mrbeast 6000. And I realized just how unaware people are of how big the YouTube industry is. How does this video have 9 views but 52 comments? I'm about to host a tournament called Battle of the Beast. How much PewDiePie makes off of YouTube? 10 years from now, PewDiePie will have 117 million subscribers. How to grow your channel? It's simple. Be different. 3,000 subscribers! How much PewDiePie makes. So I get requests for setup video. Actually, that's a lie. I've probably gotten like 1 or 2. Alright, boys, so we hit 4,000 subscribers.
Here you will find some of the greatest Call of Duty gameplays.
This video is more for people that are passionate about YouTube, not people that just do it whenever they feel like it. It's funny to me how I've gotten 350,000 views, but only gained 30 Twitter followers. Post what you want to post, have fun, do what you want to do on YouTube. Don't let other people dictate what you do. Oh, hey, my favorite YouTuber, Mrbeast, just up. Oh my goodness, he's talking about YouTube money. Sound the alarm. When it comes to my channel name on YouTube, I've always been uncertain on what I want it to be. So pretty much, I just spent all day taking a prep course for SATs. I'm going to the beach tomorrow, and I'm going to be at the beach all week. I thought of talking about Crohn's disease because it's something I have. I really hope when you see this, I actually have 5,000 subscribers. If you clicked on this video, you're probably interested in buying a cheap PC that can make quality YouTube videos. This is going to be a video about time. When I hit 10,000 subscribers, I will tell my mom that I do YouTube. Jimmy Kimmel has really been bashing the YouTube gaming community recently.
We have Ghosts and we have Advanced Warfare. Let's go.
50% of people between the age of 18 and 29 said in a poll that they use ad blocker. Is YouTube hard? What's up, guys? I recently hit 2 million views. 1,643 channels have over 1 million subscribers. Today we're going to be talking about how to get active subscribers on YouTube. I'm doing a giveaway. What's up, guys? Sorry about how late this video is going up. I actually have over 20,000 subscribers now. I tripled my goal. I'm making this video right now and I have 8K subs. Hopefully in 6 months I don't still have 8K subs. I call this the Beast Jacket Special. What's up, guys? Thanks for 40,000 subscribers. Oh wait, that says 50,000. Today we're gonna be reacting to my old Minecraft videos.
We're gonna be blowing up this tablet.
Dude, that's crazy. Yesterday, I was in a good mood, so I bought my brother a laptop.
100. Alright, break it off. I don't want any more.
I'm 18 years old, which means I can buy scratch-off tickets. Hey, Future Me, it's been a year, so I hope you have 50K subs. If you don't, you're a freaking failure in life. Holy crap. 100,000. 200,000. Originally, Jai, Sai, Pralo, Lai, East.
It's about $10,000. We're gonna be giving multiple homeless people $1,000 each.
Mrbeast, yo! No way!
Well, I want to be your number 1.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
In 2 years, I hope you have at least 100K subs.
I wanted to give you a check to help you pay for it. Can one bullet go through all these pieces of paper? I don't have any cash, but I got some gift cards.
5 million subscribers!
You're the 6 million subscriber?
You guys know I just hit 7 million subscribers.
Celebrating 8 million subscribers.
I spent $30,000 on lottery tickets.
This is the circle. If both feet leave, you're out.
Last one of your right hands to leave the car keeps it. We hit 10 million subscribers.
They're gonna have 1 hour to spend $40,000.
The more subscribers I get, the more I spend.
PewDiePie! They can't actually arrest me for not uploading. Today we're gonna be eating the most expensive and bizarre foods. We bought half a row of tickets right behind the field goal at the Super Bowl. 39 YouTubers. One giant map. We are going to spend the next 24 hours in the desert. You guys will be playing a game of battleships. Last one to step off the treadmill will get $1,000 for every mile they run. We are opening the world's first free store. We built a revolving door. Last one to keep revolving wins $20,000. So we're trying to spend 24 hours in Area 51, and there's a sniper in a truck looking at us.
So me and the boys are gonna spend 24 hours in a rainforest. Ow, I'm itchy.
We are about to go through this drive-through 1,000 times in a row. The last one of you to take your hand off this mini yacht keeps it.
Today, we will be planting 20 million trees.
Me and the boys are gonna spend 24 hours straight in the Bermuda Triangle.
3, 2, 1.
This could equal $1 million.
We are doing 4 last to leave videos, and the winners of each are competing in a 5th one for $1 million.
Last one of you to get off the toilet gets a chance at $1 million.
The last one of them to stop pedaling will compete for $1 million. Last one of you to take your hand off this $1 million stack of cash keeps it. The last one of you found gets $60,000.
Anything you can fit in this circle, I'll pay for.
I am going to spend the next 50 hours alone in solitary confinement.
This is the most expensive firework in the entire world. Yield! We have doggos. Go adopt them. I bought this entire island, and the last one of you to leave this island keeps it.
I will be giving 1 million subscribers to one of these 4 small YouTubers. I'm going to be giving my 40 million subscriber all 40 of these cars.
If I don't have 1 million subscribers when you see this video, my entire life has been a failure. I opened up the world's first free restaurant.
Boys, can you hear me?
Yes, over.
Bury me alive.
I tied up an FBI agent. If he steals this $100,000 from me before midnight, he keeps it.
I put 100 people inside of a giant circle.
I recreated every single set from Squid Game in real life.
This is $1 million, and these are 15 of the biggest creators on YouTube.
I recreated Willy Wonka's chocolate factory in real life.
I am not eating any food for the next 30 days.
We just hit 100 million subscribers, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you everyone that subscribed. I rented a $1 million a night hotel room. I spent $2.5 million on this private jet and had 11 YouTubers put their hands on it.
We're about to test things that no one has ever tested before.
We just landed in Antarctica, and we're gonna survive the next 50 hours here. In this video, we're curing 1,000 people's blindness. Behind me is an assassin. We're gonna fly on this jet that costs $500,000 per flight. Behind me are 100 people. I just bought this train, and it is currently barreling full speed towards that giant pit over there. We are now stranded on a raft in the middle of the ocean.
In this video, we're going on a $250,000 vacation. I built a giant death trap.
This is the most insane laser obstacle ever created. This is the first of 100 wells we're gonna build in this video.
I'm gonna spend the next 7 days buried alive under 20,000 pounds of dirt.
I just bought this entire grocery store.